Welcome to Session 4, AI Leveraged Precision Pitching, focusing on tailoring solutions and building high-impact sales assets. In previous sessions, we covered communicating effectively with AI through prompting frameworks like RCTO and CRAFT. We also explored harnessing native AI across the entire workspace and using AI in business development workflows, including data synthesis and linking emails and spreadsheets to Gemini. Our learning goals for this video are AI-powered pitching and positioning, sales enablement asset creation, and high-impact demos and proposals. We will focus on leveraging AI to create effective pitches, design sales assets, and prepare high-quality, tailored proposals. Today, we dive into AI-driven market intelligence and strategic analysis for business development, focusing on accelerating market intelligence extraction from large datasets for planning. We will utilize Notebook LM for advanced, deep dive research tasks. The task is to research the impact of recent Indian regulatory changes on foreign education providers and synthesize the findings into a strategic briefing note with 5 key talking points for consultative selling. First, use Notebook LM to research the regulatory impact. Prompt number 1 asks for the latest reports, articles, white papers, and industry analysis on this topic from global consulting firms. Once the fast research is complete and sources are added, we navigate to the Studio section in Notebook LM to create our report. Select all relevant sources for synthesis. Next, we use prompt number 2 to synthesize the findings. This prompt asks for a strategic briefing note with 5 key talking points for C-suite prospects, maintaining an analytical and strategic tone. Notebook LM then uses the selected sources to generate the strategic briefing note based on the custom prompt. The resulting, quote, strategic briefing note, navigating India's higher education inflection point, provides synthesized, structured market intelligence. From the Studio panel, the created strategic briefing note can be exported to docs or sheets or renamed as needed for further use. Alternatively, we can use Gemini to synthesize the strategic briefing note. Connect Gemini to the notebook created in Notebook LM and then provide the synthesis prompt. Gemini generates the document titled Strategic Briefing Note, Regulatory Evolution in India's Higher Education Sector, based on the attached notebook sources. The synthesized briefing note is ready and can be exported to docs, drafted directly into a Gmail email, or listened to, streamlining the follow-up process. Now, let's explore leveraging AI for niche, high-touch communication, and consultative selling tactics, using both Gemini and Notebook LM to design and create high-impact sales assets. Our objective is to extract customer pain points from a discovery call transcript and map them to specific product value propositions. This requires 3 deliverables: pain point audit, solution map synthesis, and a second gate follow-up email. To start the pain point extraction, upload the discovery call transcript and the product brochure to Gemini. Prompt it to extract key pain points and map them with solutions from the brochure in a table format. Once the pain points and solutions are mapped, use Gemini again to draft a professional follow-up email to the prospect and the academic coordinator, addressing the identified challenges. You can also use Notebook LM for pain point extraction. Add the discovery call transcript and the product brochure as sources, and let Notebook LM analyze them to generate prospects' pain points and expectations. Notebook LM synthesizes the information from the 2 sources to provide a concise summary of the prospect's needs and the product's relevance. This illustrates the process for pain point extraction and insights generation using Notebook LM. The generated data and insights from Notebook LM can be easily extracted and imported into Google Sheets for further data analysis or presentation purposes. Next, we move to tailoring solutions by leveraging AI, focusing on combining multiple product offerings to meet complex customer needs. We will explore using Notebook LM as a multi-product portfolio solution generator to efficiently create comprehensive, integrated proposals. To facilitate multi-product solutioning, use Notebook LM to analyze multiple product descriptions and client requirements for holistic recommendations. A detailed prompt is used to guide Notebook LM in synthesizing a comprehensive multi-product solution based on the provided resources. Notebook LM's output, based on the multi-product solutioning prompt, details how different offerings align to meet the client's needs. This example shows the synthesized report, which structures a solution using multiple products from the portfolio. Multi-product solutioning with Notebook LM allows for rapid generation of integrated proposals that leverage the full portfolio. Our final section focuses on building high-impact sales assets, specifically through efficient email automation and generating competitive battle cards. We'll look at the email assistant, which generates personalized emails without needing to rewrite the base prompt each time, saving significant time. A simple prompt, like this one for pitching International School Partner Search Services, can be used repeatedly with different names and contexts. The email assistant generates the cold email, complete with subject line and personalized content. This demonstrates how the AI email assistant quickly produces effective outreach material. To ensure consistency and quality in cold outreach, we can create a custom AI template, or GEEM, using Gemini. This involves defining the role, instructions, and providing knowledge context. The instructions for the tone, style, and constraints, ensuring every email adheres to best practices for high-conversion B2B cold outreach. This graphic outlines the initial steps for setting up the custom AI assistant, or GEEM, within the Gemini interface. You define the instructions and knowledge for the to maintain a consistent, perfective sales voice. Similarly, you can create a GM for proposal drafting, define its role, instructions, and output format. Adding contextual knowledge, like pricing sheets or company bios, ensures standardized, compliant proposals. Finally, Notebook LM can be used to generate battle cards, quickly synthesizing competitive intelligence into actionable sales assets. To create battle cards, first upload sales call transcripts to Notebook LM as source documents. This provides the AI with real-world objection data. Next, prompt Notebook LM to detect recurring objection themes within the transcripts. This identifies common frontline challenges. Use the Studio panel to create flashcards that directly address these detected, actual frontline challenges, forming your battle cards. This image illustrates the concept of a battle card, designed to map solutions to real-world objections as generated using Notebook LM. The resulting battle card provides sales teams with concise, powerful counterarguments and solution mappings.